we will guide you through how to create gable roof in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Change the view to an isometric view by using the view cube or selecting an isometric view from the view controls so you can clearly see the three-dimensional model. Click the 3D Tools tab and select the Box tool. Specify the first corner of the box, enter the required length and width, then specify the height to create a box representing the building. Next, open the solid editing panel and select taper faces. Select one side face of the box, then continue selecting each side face that will form the roof shape. After selecting all the required faces, press Enter to confirm your selection. Enter the desired taper angle and press Enter again. AutoCAD will taper the selected faces and create the basic gable roof shape. Next, in the solid editing panel, click Press Pull. Click the surface below the roof and drag it downward, or enter the required distance to extend a roof shape properly. Click the Copy tool, or type Copy in the command line and press Enter. Select the roof object, press Enter, and specify a base point for the copy. Next, type Subtract in the command line and press Enter. Select the main box as the object to subtract from. Press Enter, then select the copied roof object and press Enter again. Verify that the roof shape has been subtracted correctly from the top of the box to create the completed gable roof model. Finally, save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S. Your gable roof model is now complete.